Hey, it's Kristen with Westside Construction. I'm here to do a repairability test on this roof. You guys are currently paying for 3 shingles here on the front. So I'm just gonna do this one right here. I've got the insurance approved roof snake with me to complete this repair. So the first thing that I've gotta do is make sure the shingles around it is unsealed. So I gotta go underneath to unseal. Alright, so this is the one that I have to get out. So now that I've got this one unsealed, I'm going to unseal the one up at top. And then the one on top of this. Alright, now I've got everything unsealed that I need to get this out. So first thing I gotta do is lift this up to see where the nails are. And so this extends all the way over here. So this is first nail. This one was the second nail, but as you can see, it had poked through. When it does that, it creates a larger hole than necessary. That one right here. Oh, and as you can see, that one had poked through as well. And then this one had already gone through. You can see right there. All right, I got the first run of nails out. Now I have to get the ones on top of this. Alright. So, this is that nail that I'm trying to get out. Alright, and you can just see how it just tore this top shingle. It has completely cut it across right here. Trying to get that out. See if you can see the damage that's caused right here. It's completely tore this across. Already showing it's not repairable, but we will continue on. That one came out like it should have. Go ahead and take a look at this. This nail did not come out how it should have. You can see the cut that has done as well. Alright, we got this one right here, but you can already see all the damage that's doing on this shingle from this whole process. Alright, go ahead and take a look at that. This whole shingle right here is cut. This roof is not repairable, again, but you gotta get the shingle out. Last one is right there, as you can already see. That one's gonna be a tough one to try to get out successfully. All right, take a look at the damage caused right here. So in the process of just trying to get out this one shingle, and keep in mind you paid for 3, I've damaged 3 in the process. This roof is not repairable. We're gonna try to get this out without doing any more damage. But as you can see, this was not successful. This is a shingle that we tried to take out to do that repair. Let's recap the damage once more. So, you can see all the damage caused on this shingle right here. You can see the damage caused right here on this shingle. And furthermore, on the one down here at the end. We're gonna go ahead and torque this up and send this off to you guys.